If you are looking to build a gym directory website, then this tutorial is for you. Welcome! Today we will learn how to create free gym directory website with classified listing plugin. You can add any types of category for your gym services, as well as user can find their desired gym services from these specific categories. These listing archive pages provide individual listing details page. All the up-to-date surveys display on the all listing page. Now let's learn first how to add category and location. For this, go to the listing types from classified listing. You can delete the default listing types, but before it, make a new listing type like view details and then delete the default types. Now create your category like gym and select your customized listing type. For icon, choose any what you want and upload it. One gym category creation is done. Let's make more by following these steps. Set a category name. Select the listing types along with icon. Repeat this process again for further category named fitness trainer and continue the previous methods. Thus, make several categories as per your demand. Here, these are the categories what we have made so far. For location, select a place and save it. We will create now gym and fitness listing form with classified listing drag and drop form builder. Go to the form builder and then settings. Active the form builder button. Then go to the form list and click on add new form. Choose the blank form to create from the scratch. Firstly, edit this form section title as fitness category and then drag category form field under the section title. Now add new section and also edit the section title named title and drag title form field. Again, add another new section and edit its title as fitness center details. Drag description form field, then drag tag form field. After that, add another new section for fitness info and save this as title. Under this section, drag several form fields like business hours, social profiles, and checkbox. For checkbox, edit label name into Open to General Public. You can create options as permission for this label such as yes or no. Now copy this form field and make another label named Other Classes. Also create more labels like free parking, thus, you can make more new sections as per your demand, like images or videos. Next, add another new section for contact info and set it as section title, where you can add some basic form fields like phone, address, postal code, map, etc. Then save this form with a suitable name like gym. Then go to the form list to make these as default and active and delete the sample one. Now let's see how user add gym or fitness listing. For this, click on add listing and get a listing form. Take a glance of it. What we need is to fill out this form with these requirements like category name, fill out the title as Muscle Maker Gym, write a description along with tags. Then select and fill the fitness info. And choose an image for it. Now provide your contact info and submit it. One gym listing creation is done. Let's make more listings for your website. Again, select a category, say title, add a description with tags. For fitness info, set business hours and types with opening and closing time. Add social profiles with other infos. Add an image and lastly provide your contact info and submit it. By continuing these steps, you can make individually numerous listings for your website. You just need to customize the category, title with description, and the other queries for the new listing. Like add your social profiles, create options for your users to choose, create your contact info, and then submit it. This is your listing detail page. This is how you can create free gym directory website with the help of classified listing plugin. Thank you for watching.